are representing Minex International, which is dealing in pink Himalayan salt. Salt is our family business. We are a third generation in this business, and our family is considered as a founder of pink salt from Pakistan. And first time they introduced pink salt in 1973. And we are at the time of beginning, we have a limited demand of this pink salt, like Australia, Africa for animal licking. But with the passage of time, pink salt people know about the pink salt uses. More awareness come with the people, and since 2003 demand of pink salt is increasing day by day, and now in everywhere in the world people like to use pink salt, especially in America, USA, Europe, and gradually they are getting popular in Gulf side. And there's a good for health, and just like pink salt you can consider as organic salt. Organic salt price is very expensive as compared. Pink salt is available at very economical rate, and availability is very good as compared to the expensive salt from Europe and other countries. And we also offering lamps and other health products, and people day by day their demand is increasing, and they like the pink salt.
What's the main uses of this pink salt?
Main uses you can use as a health salt, and they improve, they enhance your digestive system. They are good for your health. They improve your blood pressure, and overall they are considered as a healthy salt as compared to common sea salt and other salts.
There are a lot of products made of pink salt. What are those products, and what is the benefit of those products?
Our main product is a salt lamp, which is a good for the asthma patient. They improve the environment of the environment. They reduce the radiation, and nowadays salt rooms, so they are very common. The doctor, they recommend to the people that you can go and sit there, and no, people are using in spices, in other for cooking, and our salt slab is have a good demand for barbecue and for sizzling and for these items. And every time, with the passage of time, there's a new uses will become in the market, and people like to use and they love it, especially the German and these people. They are very they love to use it.
In my knowledge, this pink salt, is it correct?
Yeah, they have in America they have also red salt. Poland mines is actually they stop mining. Nowadays the only big supplier is Pakistan. Everywhere they're supplying, like India sourcing from Pakistan, they're selling with their own name, and some other country. China is nowadays over. They are also sourcing salt from us, and they are selling because they have a good packaging facilities and other high-end technologies. So, but the main source is Pakistan.
Recently, I heard that government of Pakistan want to make registration of this pink salt and basmati rice.
Yeah, exactly. In basmati rice, they win the case, and few days ago I heard about that the pink salt. They are working and hope soon they will get the right of Himalayan salt. They only government of Pakistan people, they only authorized to use that.
After this registration, what would be the benefit to the Pakistan industries and Pakistani manufacturers?
Actually, before this, what happened that they have no price control. So in past, Pakistan Some companies they are selling in $30 that salt to India, like very low price to China. And if we get the registration and the right, so in this way our foreign currency or foreign revenue will be increased. We have a more monopoly about the pink salt, and Pakistan image will be more promote, and people will everywhere. I think this is an overall beneficiary for us for to use.
Is this your first participation at Gulf Food?
No, no. We, I think since 2011, we are exhibiting in Gulf Food, Sial, Lanuga, all world famous exhibition, and people know us very well. We have a very good clientage, and
What's the benefit of participating in this kind of exhibition?
main thing they improve our social contacts. We get the customer through exhibition. We see our friends and other customer here. Through exhibition, we get the platform. It saves our time and cost to see each customer personally. Sometimes there's a visa problem. Sometimes especially in COVID, we're not able to visit. Most of the world is closed. So through this platform, we get a benefit. We are expecting that that many customers will visit. Existing customer, we hope for new customer, and I think this is a good tool.
Coming back to the pink salt lamp, so is it beneficial only in cold countries like?
Yeah, mostly they are good for we have a more clientage in Europe especially, and USA. In Muslim countries, the weather is mostly weather is hot. So Muslim country will come on 2nd November. There's less demand, and this pink salt is getting popular in Gulf side and Muslim countries. The European and that country, they are using that salt lamps and everything since 2000, in starting 2000. But now we getting our demand is increasing from the Muslim countries, from Dubai and the surrounding countries.
In terms of production, do we have enough quantity of pink salt?
Pink salt, some deposit, especially dark pink salt, have some problem. They badly the mines area damaged recently last year with the flood and rains, and due to the non-professional way of mining. And my suggestion is that if government they put some minimum price on export, suppose they have no limit, anyone they want, they will sell at their own choice. But suppose government will, my suggestion, they will fix $200 per ton. So if they will fix some minimum price, they will save the trade, they will increase the foreign currency, foreign deposit, and they will improve our salt product to product image everywhere. I give you a little example that in past we are selling $300 per ton to India. As over compare other companies and some government sector, they are supplying salt in $30 per ton. So this is the main reason that the government need to fix some prices or policies how to save this trade, and otherwise the government, and especially they stopped smuggling to the by road trade to Afghanistan, Iran and the surrounding countries. They also need to take some policies or some measurements how to control the trade, and they will be beneficial for all of our.
Anything else important you want to mention?
Nowadays, in pink salt, many seasonal companies they come. They don't have any safety measurements. They don't have any certification. Just they sourcing from some small vendor, and they are not caring about the health and other things. We strongly recommend the people and the government that they will make some policy in which they ask for the certifications like ISO, HACCP, halal, which company they have that certification, the proper certification, not only the piece of paper. Or maybe they will visit, they arrange some visits, the companies who have who fulfill their all requirements, who are eligible to export worldwide. So we are facing the competition from the small companies. They damage our impression, and they also damage our due to that companies we're facing some quality issues.